Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, learn how to talk about your schedule in English. You will understand how to describe what you do each day and when you do it, using simple and clear sentences. Telling your schedule means explaining your daily or weekly routine. It helps others understand how you organize your time. When you describe your schedule, you talk about when you wake up, when you work or study, when you eat, and when you rest. These phrases are useful in daily conversations and help you sound confident while speaking English. When you describe what you do every day, use the present simple tense. This tense is used for actions that happen regularly or that are part of your routine. For example, say, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I go to work at 9 in the morning. These sentences show actions you repeat daily. Remember, subjects change the verbs slightly, such as he goes, she wakes up, or they study. When you talk about time in your schedule, use common expressions that show when things happen. Say, in the morning for the time before noon. In the afternoon to show the period after lunch. In the evening for the time after work or classes, and at night for the time before going to bed. These expressions make your speech clear and natural. Use at on and in correctly when describing time. Use at for exact hours. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Use on when you talk about specific days. For example, I go jogging on Mondays. Use in for parts of the day, months, or seasons. For example, I study in the morning or I travel in June. These prepositions make your sentences grammatically correct. A simple way to describe your schedule is to follow this sentence pattern. Subject plus verb plus time expression. For example, I wake up at 6 in the morning. She goes to school in the morning. They have lunch at noon. He studies English every evening. Keep your sentences short and use clear time expressions to describe your daily routine. To make your schedule sound more natural, use adverbs of frequency. These words show how often an action happens. Always means every time, as in, I always eat breakfast at home. Usually means most of the time. Sometimes is for occasional actions. Rarely is used when something happens very little. Never means not at all. These adverbs make your speech richer and more accurate. Listen to this short conversation. Person A asks, what time do you usually wake up? Person B says, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Person A then asks, what do you do after that? Person B replies, I have breakfast and then go to work at 8 o'clock. This dialogue shows how to use clear sentences to talk about your day. To improve your schedule descriptions, practice every day. Write a short paragraph about your typical day. Use time prepositions such as at, on, and in, and include adverbs of frequency like always and sometimes. Practice reading your sentences aloud to improve pronunciation. You can also listen to native speakers to learn natural speaking rhythm and tone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.